Hi, do you have mission critical problems at work that you're trying to solve and you're not sure if there's a single obvious answer? Maybe there's multiple answers and you're a little stuck, unsure about how to begin. I'm an engineer and I've been solving problems like this for my clients my whole career. I've developed some tips and tricks to help me get started with solving problems. I'm going to share one of these today with you, which is the hand-brain connection. It's a way of getting going with problem solving to get you over the hump of getting started. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this group of Lego here, which is something that I use for helping my thinking process. So for this particular problem, I'm looking at my client here. And my client is wanting to produce value. So I'm going to put these to the beginning and the end of the problem. There is a production process, so I'm going to represent that with this bridge. Now what's the issue? Well, there are some obstacles in the middle of this production process. And maybe these obstacles change, so it's not really sure about how we're going to get over these. So how can I go about helping my customer? Well, maybe teaching them some new skills. That might be one thing. Maybe we can bring in some more resources, so we can bring in a mentor. Perhaps we can do some training, so I can elevate the customer skills onto a platform here using some training. Perhaps we can do something like some new tools like this ladder. Can put that there. So now I kind of I get an idea about how the problem looks. I have my client, I have the production process, we have some obstacles, and we're trying to get through to the value. And then I start basing out some of the potential solutions. Okay, I hope this has been useful for you. As you can see, when you're confronted with a problem and you're not sure where to begin, maybe get some Lego, get a pen, get some paper, and start basing out the problem, understand some of the components of it, and get a framework so that you can start seeing some of the possible solution paths. If you would like to get some help with bringing these problem-solving techniques into your business, give me a call. I'm here to help.